Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on Xbox. First, ensure you have the game installed, either digitally from the Xbox store or physically from a disc. You'll also need an active Xbox Live Gold subscription to access the online multiplayer features, which are essential for DayZ. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, minimizing lag and disconnections. Finally, take a moment to review the basic controller layout before diving into the harsh world. Once you spawn into the vast world of DayZ, your immediate priority is survival. Focus on scavenging for essential resources like food and water to prevent starvation and dehydration. Look for basic tools, such as knives for crafting and axes for wood. It's wise to avoid engaging in combat with other players or the infected until you have better gear. Staying hidden and observing your surroundings will significantly increase your chances of survival in the initial hours. As you progress, acquiring essential gear becomes paramount. A backpack is vital for expanding your inventory, allowing you to carry more supplies. Seek out a reliable weapon, whether it's a firearm or a melee tool, for self-defense against threats. Crafting is key. Learn to make bandages for injuries and fires for cooking and warmth. Remember to maintain your equipment regularly, as items can degrade and become unusable over time in the harsh environment. For long-term survival, advanced strategies are necessary. Master navigation using in-game maps and a compass to avoid getting lost in the expansive world. Consider building a secure base to store your valuable supplies and provide a safe haven. Teaming up with one or two trusted players can offer mutual protection and increase your chances against larger threats. Always practice stealth and maintain high situational awareness to detect dangers before they become critical.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.